Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Grinch punch. For our ingredients, we have a half a gallon of lime sherbet, 2-liter Sprite, a gallon of green berry rush Hawaiian punch, and a can of pineapple juice. Here I made this picture with the Grinch face on it. It was real easy. In a large punch bowl or pitcher. Now here I'm going to add my lime sherbet. And then I'm going to pour my pineapple juice over it, about half of it. And now we're going to pour half of our Sprite over. And half of your Hawaiian punch over the sherbet ice cream. And stir. And then we're going to do a little stir. You could dip the rims of glasses in water and then dip them in red sugar to spice it up. And we're going to taste it. It was yummy. I know the kids will like it. Try it and comment down below and tell me how it tastes. We have made Grinch punch for the holidays. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.